Hello, today we are going to continue our section 2.3, measures of the location of the data. First, what's the quartiles? Which they are spatial percentiles. What we commonly used are first quartile denoted as Q1, which is the 25th percentile. And quartile 3, Q3, the third quartile, is the same as the 75th percentile. Quartile 2 is the 50th percentile, which we usually call as median. So median is the center of the data, the middle value among all the data. But it does not actually have to be one of the observed values. Next definition, we should know about what is IQR, which is the interquartile range equal to Q3 minus Q1. A value is suspected to be a potential outlier if it is less than 1.5 times the IQR below the first quartile, or more than 1.5 times IQR above the third quartile. So we can draw a chart like this. Here is the quartile 1, quartile 3, median. So we will measure the position of the data. After you apply 1.5 times the IQR rule, you will have Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR to find out what is this range here. And any data less than this number, we consider outlier. If any number greater than Q3 plus 1.5 multiply IQR to the right side, it's supposed to be here, then it is the outlier. Okay, outlier. So we are going to have some example to go over this. First, just go over the definition and formulas. And we have a formula to determine where is the percentile. On the right side here, they are the description how you find out the kth percentile. So K represent the kth percentile. For example, the 5th percentile, right? Or the 79th percentile. Now the number of the 79 is the K. And what's the I is the index, ranking or position of the data value. N is the total number of the data. Then we need the sorting the data in order from the smallest to the largest, and to determine where is the I, the index. So follow the formula, K over the 100 multiply n plus 1. That's the formula. So we have two rules here. If I is an integer, the kth percentile is the data value in the ith position in the ordered set of data. If I is not an integer with some decimal behind, then we need to round I up and round I down to the nearest integers. Then take the average of the two data values in these two positions. And this is easier to understand in an example. That's fine. We continue. Look at the example for the next slide. So the 2.3, example 5, that's the example we are going to determine. First item, find the 70th percentile. So the given data are listed above for 29 ages of Academy Award-winning Best Actors in order from the smallest to the largest. And we can see the smallest value is 18. The largest value is 77. Okay. Now, we need to determine where is I, the index. So place on 70, replace K over the 100. Then multiply N plus 1. N is 29, right? 29 actors. So we put a 29 plus 1, multiply with the 70 over 100, which is 0.7. Let's give you 21, exactly an integer. You can see a whole number. Integer, whole number. So when we come out as 21 integers, that's the 21st. So the 70th percentile, is the 21st data. Then we just count from the given data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21st. So the 21st data, the value is 64. So that's the answer. The age of the 64, which is the one considered as the 70th percentile. We're done. The item B is demonstrate the 83rd percentile. So after you plug into the formula, you can see 83 over the 100 multiply 29 plus 1 gives 24.9. This time we can see some decimal behind 24. So since it is not an integer, we need to round it down to the 24, right? And go up as 25ths. 24.9 with the decimal. So you need to go down to 24 as integer and go up as 25ths. Because the data position is by whole number, right? Integer. So 24th, 25th, then you need to find out where is the data. So we will go to the look for the data. For the 24th, remember the earlier example, we counted the 24th already. This is the position of the 21st, right? It's here. So 22nd, 23rd, 24 is age of the 71 is 24th. So you will write down here, take a note, 71, And when you round up, that 24.9 is 25ths. So the next integer, 25ths, which is with the age of the 72. Then we take a 2, adding up, divide by 2. Take the average, and the average will be 71.5. So that's it, right? This is the solution for the 83rd percentile, which is the age of the 71.5. Okay, we done the 2.3. And you need to practice more with homework exercise.